Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see trending searches on Google. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open any browser. I'm going to open Chrome browser, and then you need to search in Google Trends. Open that website, and then you need to click on Google Trends. And once you are here, you need to click on three bars at the top left corner, and then you need to click on trending searches. So you can see the daily, and I'm going to select any region. So first I'm going to search here, like I'm going to search here about crypto. So you can see that what is the trend in Pakistan right now. So I'm going to change country. So I'm going to select this country. So you can see the trend here and what people are searches in that country. So by following these steps, you can easily find trending searches on Google. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.